Hello everyone, in this video we have been given square root of a minus square root of b equals 72 and fourth root of a plus fourth root of b equal 12. Now we are going to find the value of a divided by b. Answer: square root of a minus square root of b equals 72 and fourth root of a plus fourth root of b equal 12. Let fourth root of a equal x and fourth root of b equal y. Then a equal x to the power 4 and b equal y to the power 4. Then square root of a equal square root of x to the power 4 equal x square and square root of b equal square root of y to the power 4 equal y square. Then x plus y equal 12, equation 1, and x square minus y square equal 72. X square minus y square equal x plus y into x minus y equal 72. X plus y equal 12. Then 12 into x minus y equal 72. X minus y equal 72 divided by 12. X minus y equal 6. Equation 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2, then we get x plus y plus x minus y equal 12 plus 6. Y cancel, then 2x equal 18. X equal 18 divided by 2. Then x equal 9. X plus y equal 12. Then 9 plus y equal 12. Y equal 12 minus 9. Then y equal 3. X equal 9. Then x to the power 4 equal 9 to the power 4. X to the power 4 equal 9 to the power 4 equal 6561. Y equal 3. Then y to the power 4 equal 3 to the power 4. Then y to the power 4 equal 3 to the power 4 equal 81. X to the power 4 equal 6561. X to the power 4 equal a. Then a equal 6561. Y to the power 4 equal 81. Y to the power 4 equal b. Then b equal 81. Now a divided by b equal 6561 divided by 81 equal 6561 equal 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 divided by 81 equal 9 into 9. 9 into 9, 9 into 9 cancel, then equal 9 into 9 equal 81. A divided by B equal 81. Thus, our answer A divided by B equal 81.